Okay, here's Hunter's Quilt Mart. Hunter'sQuiltMart.com. Okay, yep. Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. Saturday, 9 to 2. So we're going to go see what it's all about. Well, there you go, honey. Not sure. Wow. Look at all the machines going. Man, ain't that cool? Looks like they have classes and stuff. Cool. All of them on the wall. Cool. You doing okay today, sir? All right. All the pretty fabrics and stuff. Uh-huh. Oh, yes, yes, all the bigger fabric. Okay. They have a lot of classes. They do sell machines here. Neat. Cool. Notions, books. All your rulers. Yeah.
This is a great ruler here. Ooh, she's a glide.
Yeah.
I love glide. That's my favorite.
So, favorite thread that you use, the glide?
Yeah, maybe you'll get me a couple pieces of red since I can't find my red thread.
Yeah, sure. Maybe hold on to your purse while you're doing all that?
Nope.
I do a lot of long arm there. You doing okay? Good, good, good. Wow. Gosh, this is kind of how I remember when I was a kid, how all the fabric was around on the round tables. I hadn't seen that in a lot of years. It's pretty cool though, I do like it. Lots of cutting tables. Just kind of making around, just kind of showing you guys about the store. It's really cool.
So simple wallet. Lord Pup.
Hey. I tell you, lots of help here. People are very nice. Really nice place, guys. Y'all in the area here, we'll give you some more information. You need to stop.
This week's revised quilt shop visit is at Hunter's Quilt Mart, and it's in Centerville, Missouri. It's a great place. They do long arm quilting. They did a quilt, well, they did 2 quilts for me. But this is their block. It's block number 104. So I'm not going to make it exactly like the pattern instructions give on the back because, to be honest with you, this block here, right there, I don't think I've ever made anything like that. But I bought something a long time ago, and it is a cat's cradle ruler. It's by Creative Grids. And so I'm going to use it to make my blocks. I think it'll be easier for me, faster, more efficient. Like I said, you may want to sew with a scant 1/4 inch if you're going to use their exact cutting instructions because they are pretty much on the nose. There's really no room for error. So I'm going to get started. Just like last week, I'm just going to sew through. I'm not going to give any instructions. Just going to show you the processes. If you have any further questions, you can ask in the comments below, or you can go onto my Facebook, Be Yourself Quilting there also, and put a comment, ask a question, and I will try to answer it for you. Like I said, these are copyrighted by Shop Hop Incorporated. So this is their information, but I can make it for you. I just can't give you the sizes to cut anything. Again, I'm going to be making it out of scraps. And thank y'all for joining me. Nowhere in the instructions did I see where it said to do 4 and 4 mirror images of each other. But in order for it to look like the pattern, you will need to do 4 and 4 mirror images of each other. If you sew them all the same angle as it appears to be in the pattern, I looked over it twice and I could be missing something. The pattern could say that. But anyway, I just wanted to stop in here just real quick to say that. Okay, let's put this block together.